Hey y'all, so for the next 3 days, I'm resetting my gut to reduce inflammation, heal digestion, and to stop bloating naturally, okay? And these are the exact foods I'll be starting with today. Let's go. So for this 3-day gut reset, I'm keeping things really light and simple. I'm starting with shrimp because it's a lean source of protein that's pretty easy for the body to digest compared to, heavier meats. When I'm trying to reset my gut, I usually focus more on vegetables, fruits, and, like seafood just to give my body a little break while still getting enough protein. Now, these vegetables are actually a little cheat code for me. I grabbed these pre-prepared sheet pan mix from Publix for about $6 and some change, and it already comes with like butternut squash, zucchini, asparagus, onions, and a blend of healthy spices like turmeric, garlic powder, the basics we enjoy, sea salt and black pepper. And it saves so much time and it's still packed with nutrients. So if you're busy, this is really an easy way to get your vegetables in. For this meal prep, I'm basically doing a sheet pan dinner. Nothing complicated, super simple. I'm adding avocado oil to everything, and then I'm using the seasoning pack on the vegetables. Now for the shrimp, I'm keeping it light with my Caribbean ginger, garlic, and pimento seasoning. During a gut reset, you don't want anything too heavy or greasy, okay? So simple seasonings, healthy fats, and fresh ingredients go a long way. I like to mix everything really well so the seasonings coat every piece of vegetable and shrimp. Y'all already know we gotta have it seasoned to the T. This meal is honestly perfect when you want something nourishing but still flavorful. So gut-friendly food does not have to always be boring, y'all. Okay, let's jazz it up, add a little razzle dazzle. Okay, so of course, shrimp cooks way faster than vegetables. So we're gonna preheat the oven on 400. We're gonna bake the vegetables for about 12 minutes without the shrimp, right? And then we're gonna put the shrimp in and bake for about 6, 7 minutes. But you don't wanna pass 8 minutes because you don't want your shrimp to be dry, overcooked. You know what I'm saying, girl? Plus, with meal preps, I'll be reheating this for about 3 days, really 2 days, because I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna chow down tonight, okay? But for about 2 to 3 days. So I will say cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes, since we're gonna be reheating it if you decide to make something like this. Now you can use fish. That was my original go-to because it will take about the same amount of time as the vegetables, but they only have the wild Argentina fish. That's what I got, or shrimp. So that's what I got. So that's just what I recommend. Let's go ahead and get it done. Next, I'm making some on-the-go salad jars. These are one of my favorite things to prep when I'm focusing on gut health because they're fresh, they're crunchy, and they're full of fiber. I'm using cucumbers, red onions, purple cabbage, matchstick carrots, mixed greens, and banana peppers. Some of my favorite items I like to add into my salad. It's so fulfilling and so good. And of course, I had to make a quick homemade dressing. I'm going in with simple sriracha ranch, using real mayonnaise, cilantro, fresh dill, and a little garlic seasoning. Making your own dressing is actually really helpful during a gut reset because you avoid a lot of the additives that are, in the store-bought dressings. Now I'm just chopping everything up nice and small so it's layered easily in the jars. Purple cabbage is especially great for digestion because it's high in fiber and has antioxidants, which helps support your gut bacteria. These mason jars were super affordable from the Dollar General and they're perfect for meal prep. I like putting the dressing at the bottom first so the salad stays fresh and it doesn't get soggy while it's sitting in the refrigerator. Now I'm just layering everything in: cucumbers, cabbage, carrots, red onions, banana peppers, and my salad blend on top. When you're ready to eat, you just shake the jar and everything mixes together. So simply easy. You can take it on a picnic, you can take it to work, you can have it for after the gym if you need to hurry up and eat something in the car. The shrimp and vegetables are ready, so now I'm portioning everything into my meal prep containers. This is a really balanced meal with lean protein and fiber and healthy carbs from the vegetables. Simple meals like this help your digestion so much. Next, I'm making a few detox drinks for the gut reset, starting with okra infused water. Okra might sound a little unusual in water, but it actually has amazing benefits for digestion. It contains soluble fiber and a natural gel that helps soothe your digestive system. It's also great for gut lining support and hydration. I highly recommend this, and ladies, it's great for the skin. I'm also adding watermelon, which is super hydrating and it helps reduce bloating because it's naturally high in water and electrolytes. Then pineapple and lemon for vitamin C and digestive enzymes. We all know pineapple especially contains bromelain, which helps the body break down proteins. I'm adding everything into the container with the okra and squeezing fresh lemon juice on top. Now with the lemon, it actually helps reduce the natural sliminess of the okra. So that really helps when you're, if you're a big texture girly like me, it helps reduce that slime. I usually let this sit overnight in the refrigerator so the nutrients can infuse into the water. Now we're moving on to the detox juices, one of my favorite. Fresh juice is a great way to get vitamins and antioxidants into your system quickly, especially during a reset. Now, I will have a 3-day gut reset guide and meal plan as a digital product. It will be linked in my description and on the pinned comment. This first juice is watermelon, ginger, and lemon. Watermelon is extremely hydrating and ginger is amazing for digestion and inflammation. Ginger is one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to gut health. If you've been on my channel for a few years now, you already know I am a juice girly and I love my ginger. When you're making fresh juices like this, it's best to drink them within about 3 to 4 days so you're getting in the most nutrients. And I always store mine in glass containers in the refrigerator. This next juice is pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. Cucumber is really refreshing and it helps with hydration, while pineapple and ginger continue supporting digestion. And that's everything I made. Oh, I also made chia infused water, but I didn't get a chance to record that, so check out the shorts video. But that's everything I made for this reset episode for my 3-day gut reset series. Simple meal prep, fresh salads, infused water, and detox juices to help your body feel lighter and more energized. A 3-day reset like this can be really helpful if you've been feeling bloated, inflamed, or if you just want to refresh your body before a trip or a new routine. You can definitely continue eating like this for a few weeks, which I highly recommend if you want deeper results. I also like pairing this with light morning fasting, herbal teas, and lots of infused water throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and send this video to someone who might need a little gut reset with you, okay?